Hello everybody, today we gotta make a chicken scarpariello. Make sure to dry the chicken really good. Cause when you cook it come nice crispy outside and juicy inside. I got salt, black pepper, oregano, garlic powder, and paprika. Like this the chicken, it come out delicious. I slice the onion, the garlic, it looks so beautiful. And slice the pepper. It's so sweet, this pepper. Look what I got over here. I got my oil, baby. This is cherry pepper. This, it's really spicy. Now, this is for the chicken. The chicken, you need a little bit extra oil. But the sausage, not too much, because the sausage already, it got the fat. When you cook the sausage, I want to show everybody. You do, with a fork, you make a hole, like that. Okay, when you cook, you start to pop the sausage. Okay, now the oil is hot, and let's start with the chicken. Now, the chicken, you gotta make sure that both sides, they gotta be nice and crispy. Okay, let's turn the sausage. Oh, look at beautiful color. Chin chin, salute. Now we gotta flip. Now we gotta cook on the other side. The same thing like I did on this side. Look how beautiful. And now the chicken is ready, and now it's time of the wine. Now maybe somebody say, Pasquale, you did the cherry pepper, you throw away the vinegar? No worry about it. This is the good stuff, you make more spice. I got the vinegar right over here, the cherry pepper. And I'll do like this. Look at that. We give a little turn on the chicken, okay, evaporated the wine, everything. Look at that. Beautiful. And the sausage, I put it right over here together with the chicken. If the wine, I use dry wine. The wine I'm drink, it's the wine I'm cooking. Now, I got these pots over here. Both you gotta go inside of these pots. Look at beautiful pots. Now, let's turn the gas low and let's put it right over here. Oh, look at beautiful now. Okay, good. Now, on these pots, what I gotta do, I gotta put oil. The oil is hot already, and let's start to put the onion first. And we got the garlic. And one time I saute the garlic and the onion a little bit, the rest it got everything together. Now for the beautiful sweet pepper, we got salt and black pepper. Okay, we give it a nice turn. Okay, now everything is done, and let's put it right over here. Oh, look how beautiful. Look, ooh. Oh, look amazing. Ooh. Tonight, good dinner, a glass of wine. Okay, now we gotta cook on the oven at 400 degrees. And this is the best part, because the chicken scarpariello gotta come delicious. Let's open the oven. And let's put it, oh, it's hot to the oven, wow. Okay. Now it's a time of the test. After 35 minutes, I got a nice beautiful legs over here, a nice sausage, and the pepper. I don't want to forget my pepper. Look how beautiful, the onion, so nice. Ooh. A good taste. Cooked perfect. I hope everybody liked my chicken scarpariello, and let me know if you like. Salute e cin cin, and we see next time. Cin cin, salute!